Welcome to McGraw-Hill Personal Tutor. Write an equation of the line that passes through 2, 5 and negative 1, 3. So we're going to write an equation in slope-intercept form, but first we're going to define the slope. And slope, or m, the variable that stands for slope, is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we'll substitute our values. We have points which are 2, 5, which we'll label as x1 and y1, and negative 1, 3, which are x2 and y2. So we'll have a slope, which is 3 minus 5, over negative 1 minus 2, and that is equal to negative 2 over negative 3, which equals 2/3. So we have a slope of 2/3. Next, we need to find the y-intercept. We're going to do that by using point-slope form. And point-slope form, we can use that when we have the slope and a given point. And we have two given points. Point-slope form is y minus y1 equals the slope m times the difference of x and x1. So let's substitute our values, but first we need to choose a point. So let's go ahead and choose the point 2, 5. We could have also chosen negative 1, 3. So we'll have y minus 5 equals 2/3 times x minus 2. So let's simplify that on the right-hand side by distributing the 2/3. So we'll have 2/3 x minus 4/3. Then we need to add 5 to both sides of the equation to keep it balanced and to solve for y. So we have an equation in slope-intercept form. And so the 5 and the negative 5 will, of course, equal 0. So we'll have y equals 2/3 x. And notice we have a fraction, and we have here our integer 5. So we need to add negative 4/3 and have a common denominator. So we'll change the 5 to 15/3, and that equals 11/3. So we'll have plus 11/3. So our equation in slope-intercept form is y equals 2/3 x plus 11/3, given our 2 points of 2, 5 and negative 1, 3. Thank you for using McGraw-Hill Personal Tutor.